So let me just mention the other very general point about this picture, other than the one about agency, freedom. I think freedom and agency go together. Freedom from local determinism and agency go together. The other point is that this picture is completely symmetrical, right? We've been talking about the system of interest and its environment. But we constructed these by just taking this universe and drawing a boundary across it that had the right kind of characteristics. It wasn't too small and it wasn't too big. It was kind of a Goldilocks boundary, right? So since we constructed it that way, we can label it any way we want to. So I can also say that the system I'm interested in is what I previously called the environment. And the environment of that system is the original system of interest, right? It's a binary, it's a bipartite decomposition. So each of these systems is the environment of the other. Now, that symmetry tells us something very interesting. It tells us that when we're thinking about a system, a cell, a person, a society, any kind of system interacting with its environment, and we treat that as an agent, we treat that thing as having one of these Goldilocks boundaries that's kind of the right size, then the system on the other side obviously has the same boundary. Right? The boundary is completely symmetric. So it has a Goldilocks boundary too. So it's also an agent. And so it is also observing our original system, and it's acting on our original system. And it can learn about the original system only the information that passes through the boundary. So it's completely general to think of system and environment as passing each other finite bit strings across the boundary. And since each of them is an agent, they can assign whatever semantics they want to, whatever sense of actionability, whatever consequences, computational consequences they want to these bit strings. So they don't have a fixed semantics. They have a semantics for the system and a semantics for the environment, and they don't have to be the same.